I'm going to try solving this problem as an experiment. Um, this problem right here is 1/4 minus 2/3 y equals 3/4 minus 1/3 y. So my trick here, my easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy trick for dealing with fractions is to utilize a method that eliminates all the fractions in the equation. What I'm going to do is multiply the entire left side and the entire right side of an equation by the exact same number. As long as I multiply both sides by the same number, I'll maintain balance of my equation. So which number should I choose to help me eliminate the fractions? I'm going to choose the least common multiple of 4 and 3. Now, just as you see up here, we can go through the times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4 options of these numbers, but maybe you already know the LCM of 4 and 3. It happens to be 12. The least common multiple through distribution will help us eliminate the fractions. Now you can multiply 12 times 1/4 in your calculator if you want. I happen to know the answer is 3 minus 2/3 times 12. Again, you could do this off to the side, or you could type it into your calculator. I happen to know the answer is 8y. So 12 times this group leaves us with 3 minus 8y equals, now I'll distribute to this group. Remember, distribution works from both sides. So 3/4 times 12 is 9, minus 1/3 times 12 is 4. And look at my new equation. My new equation here is algebraically equivalent to this equation. They are the exact same equation, only this one no longer has fractions in it. So I'm going to go ahead and solve. I look for the smallest number, or the smallest variable term, and I attack it. So the smallest variable term that I have is the minus 8y, and I attack it by making it 0. I add 8y to it. And to maintain balance, I'll add 8y to the other side. Now I'm going to simplify both sides of my equal sign. 3, this is a 0 pair, plus 0 is just 3, equals 9 plus 4y. Pardon the talking in the background. Now, I'll go ahead and subtract 9 on both sides. I'm just following a simple addition and subtraction problem now. 3 minus 9 is negative 6 equals, this is a 0 pair, 4y. And then last but not least, get rid of the 4. 4 times y, opposite operation is divide by 4 on both sides. 4 divided by 4 cancels, and I have y equals negative 3 over 2. So I ended up with a fraction anyway. However, what happened? I just had some kind of crazy technology problem. However, I didn't have to deal with fractions until the very end again. So you could plug this back in up top and verify that that's actually the correct answer, because it will give you the exact same number on the left side as it does on the right side.